morning guys, and welcome to another episode.
We're starting off today with a bit of a walk. We're on a walk track. We're going to a waterfall.
Yeah, it's a very short walk. It's only 1 kilometre there and back. Just a very rocky walk, so it says to be careful.
So I got my thongs on, all-terrain thongs.
Yeah.
10 years old. That'll do the trick, that's nice.
What did you do?
I hit my toe on a rock.
Oh.
It's bleeding.
Oh, well that's why you don't wear thongs. Radio, we've just finished up with Falls. That one was absolutely spectacular. It's a bit of a rocky walk-in, but we're going to be
going to the grocery store. Well, the country grocery store.
The country grocery.
We're out of food!
We're out of food!
We need more food! We didn't buy enough food! That's what we're doing.
Okay, we are going to the grocery store, and that is because, be prepared, Northern Territory does not have a lot of supermarkets. Looks like we're out of luck, guys. Closed. Well, guess we're not getting any groceries.
No, apparently it's picnic day, which we didn't know what that was, so.
We heard someone say it was a public holiday, but yeah, we didn't know what.
We didn't know why.
We didn't know, we're like, whoa, it's a public holiday.
But apparently
someone walked past and was like,
1st of August for the last, like, 80 years since 1947, it's been picnic day, so no groceries today. We're gonna have to eat scraps.
See what we can find in our random bits and pieces of food that
we'll see what happens. We'll survive for one more day.
Yeah, have to find a grocery store though.
Rightio, we've come to Zebrastone Camping Ground. We've got some scones, we've got some chips, we've got some tea, we've got all the goodies. So we're going to fill up and then go set up camp.
Good morning guys. We have left camp and we are on our way to
the Bluey Rock Holes.
It's not Bluey.
Isn't it?
It's B-U-L-E-Y.
B-U-L-E. Bully Rock Holes. That's the one.
We're going there, not Bluey. just ended up going to Florence Falls after, and it has gotten so packed. We've actually just decided just to finish off for the day and head off to camp because there's not really too much to do after this. I think there's just a couple of other things we want to do tomorrow, so we'll get up early tomorrow.
We'll save it for tomorrow.
Yeah, save it all for tomorrow.
It's getting bloody hot. It's getting stinking hot.
And
I'm ready to go sit down, maybe do a little bit of work, watch some telly, you know, max lax for the rest of the day.
Yeah. We're excited to be doing a bit of a 4-wheel drive and getting to camp. We've got to do a big river crossing. And
well, we don't really know if it's big. We don't really know anything about it, so we'll see what it's like when we get there.
You ready for this? Or are you scared?
Oh, I gotta go test the waters first. Oh wait, no, I probably shouldn't. I gotta go get out and have a look. Hang on. This is a bit airy going.
We did it. How was that?
Yeah, not too bad. It was actually a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. There was a bloke that pulled up. He was like, "Oh, I'll go first." I'm like, "Yeah, sweet, no worries. Test the waters for me." So, nah, it was all sweet. I mean, it looked bad, but it wasn't too bad at all. So, sometimes you just got to send it.
Corrugations are great, aren't they?
Yeah, I feel like I'm inside of a bike rider. Rightio, just like that. Camp's all done. Crack open a bloody cold one. All in a hard day's work, eh? What are we doing now?
Such a hard day of work.
Yeah, right. I think we might cook some lunch or do something. Cook some lunch. Do a bit of work. And go sit in the bed for the rest of the day, watch some telly, you know, just relax. You don't always have to do something. Do ya?
No, we can be lazy, I guess. Morning, sunshine.
Good morning. We're going on a walk. We've gotten up nice and early.
I've woken him up and he was cranky bum. It takes me like, what, about half an hour to an hour to get him out of bed. I set the alarm at like 6:50 and then from there it took me about half an hour to get him up. And he's up.
I'm up.
And we are on the walk to the falls.
On a waterfall.
I'm walking into so many spider webs right now, it's kind of gross.
Yeah, she normally makes me go first, so I get rid of all the webs, but she can go first this time. Whew, right, we stumbled across a river crossing, eh? Better put our shoes in 4-wheel drive and cross this bad boy. Will she fall, won't she fall? Will she fall or won't she fall? Place your bets in the comments. Will she fall or won't she fall?
Not full, but I still have a while to go.
Well, don't know. See what happens. Oh.
I did it, guys. I didn't pull in. Right, we have left that spectacular camp.
Went through there another hectic river crossing. It was pretty good this time. We got on camera. It looked.
We got it on the drone and it
Got
was
on the drone.
pretty good.
Looks pretty good. There's a couple in front of us that was absolutely shit scared of going through. They had a rental car. I was
poor
like,
little-
nah, don't worry about it. You'll be right.
Poor
Kids in
little girl
the back
was crying.
crying. Nah, looks a lot worse than this. It's pretty good. Right, we've come to Tom Falls and it's a bit.
It's dry.
It's dry. Yeah, it's not much of a falls, but I mean it's still pretty. It's not too far of a walk, but we're about to head on our way to
We're gonna go to Berry Springs, and we're
go to the
gonna
IGA.
We need Stockholm food desperately because
We're out.
our fridge is actually empty. We haven't been this empty since we've left. Ryan gets so awkward in front of other people. Look at you.
Oh my god, we sound like YouTubers.
Maybe because we are YouTube.
Rightio, we parked up at camp for the night. We're all set up and everything. Went into Berry Springs today just to do a little bit of a shop at the local IGA.
And
Not too much.
Our fridge is still basically
Oh, it's still empty,
by the
so
way.
big shop tomorrow.
It was a
Sort all that,
$15 shop. It was a
sort all
treat.
that stuff out tomorrow. That's a problem for tomorrow, Ryan and Kaylee, as I like to say. So, yeah, where have we come to?
We have come to Darwin River Tavern. So it is $12 for an unpowered site for the night, which is so cheap considering that.
Very
that
nice
is
and cheap. It's cheaper than a national park.
park.
Yeah.
And you even get a pool here. They've got laundry. They've got nice showers. And
All the amenities.
so, yeah. Come check this one out if you're in the area and just want somewhere cheap to stay, basically.
Yeah, it's a good one. It's lovely.
Yeah, we've had a good day today. Started off with a beautiful waterfall walk, but I'm going to be ending the video here because we are heading tomorrow.
Into Darwin. We're going to Darwin and we're going to do a Darwin vlog.
He's not
It's
eating.
Darwin time.
Just saying that he hasn't eaten since like
I'm bloody hungry.
10 a.m. and it's like 7 p.m. right now.
It's time to eat some
You can
food.
tell he's going crazy.
All we've got is pasta because there was nothing at the shops.
Okay. Well, we'll see you next video, guys. We hope you enjoyed this one, and please don't forget to
Like and subscribe. Do it. Do it.
goodbye, guys.
Bye. speaking, Kaylee. Alright, day we come together.